Greetings from Transylvania. This is Jacques from Jasmine and Jacques, and today I'll be talking a bit about the design for your web page. Okay, let's begin. We've tried to create a modern, clean, and distinguishable website. We've used your ideas at their most, and we've tried to incorporate as much information and as much quality as possible. Okay, let's begin. As you can see, we've used a texture, a subtle texture on the background. We've heard that you love textures, and we've found one that is quite um, elegant. Okay, I'm gonna scroll down and show you the website, the web page. This is the home page or the main page, and just navigate it like a normal user will do. So I'm just watching it and just trying to find interesting things about it. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff going on this home page. So let me just tell you a bit about everything. As you can see, the menu has 5 topics. We've tried to. This is just proposition from us. We've created this home page, which is the main page. We've created a disorders page, which are the page discusses about the disorders that you try to treat them. So you have anxiety, ADD, insomnia, depression, OCD, and phobias, and so on. That are also here, but are also in the disorders page. So also this page, I'm gonna just go a bit and show you what I'm talking about. As you can see here, you have a menu, but if you click on it, of course this is only when it's gonna be graded, you're gonna see a drag down menu, and this is a menu, an interactive menu that lets you select the disorders you want to find out more about. So here you can see for example, now I'm hovered over insomnia, but it depends on which one you hover. So if you're hovering over depression, this little slider is gonna go here. So it's all about subtle interaction, making it pleasant for the person who is finding out more about these disorders. We assume that the persons who are going to navigate this are going to be people who have a bit of a problem with one or two of these issues. So we want to make it as easy and as joyful for them, and not create a design that will even more create a bigger problem to their life. So we've tried to take your great idea to make a happy and beautiful website for the user. That's why we've used this color scheme, which is a brick red, an aqua blue, and a deep blue. Also, as you see, we have here the anxieties. We've tried to use this little cross like the medics use, and also it's used in pharmaceutical. This is a simple symbol used for showing that this window is actually clickable and is interactive. So for example, if I'm interested in finding out more about anxiety, I'm gonna just hover over, and when I hover over, this bluish window will disappear and reveal me the picture. So I can click on it, and then I will go on the anxiety page. Okay, it's pretty straightforward, nothing too difficult to program, nothing too difficult to understand. And also, we've finished a website for a team of psychologists, and they've asked us to create a subscribe box. The subscribe box is used to gain as many emails as possible from your possible clients. So you give them a free, for example, 2-hour talk or a free PDF with a small booklet or something, and if they want to get it, they will have to subscribe. And then, as you can see, I've put this cute icon with a present here, so they will get the present, and you will receive their name and their email, so you can send them offers and different things you want to send your clients to. Also, the positioning of this is optimal for a subscribe box. It's used to make subscribe box is recommended to be put in the upper right corners. Okay, as you can see, this is the stable part of the website. Is not gonna change. Even on the second page, I'm gonna show you. These are the recent posts. So these are actually your blog posts. So there are 6 blog posts. We're trying to use psychology as its best, so we're trying to use Barry Schwartz's idea of the paradox of choice, and the fact that the maximum number of choices you have is 6. So that's why we put 6 articles on each page. Of course, these are going to randomly appear depending on the date. Okay, and this is the read more button. Of course, if you click on it, you're gonna go on this page. Oh, this is print screen, sorry. You're gonna go on the blog page. Okay, let's go a bit further. As you can see, all of them are similar. There's nothing different on it, just easy to navigate. Sorry, there's constantly print screening. And also, we've tried to fill this space because you asked for 7 spaces, 7 buttons. We've found a neat idea to filling this blank space, and we've written finding a solution for your problems is easy. So we can assure your future clients and um, your patients that there's not such a big deal in treating a problem, and they should calm and be relaxed in your presence. Of course, we've created this footer. We've tried to incorporate a bit of femininity also on the side, and this is the feminine touch on the side, this deep blue wavy rectangle. You have here the contact info with some modern icons. You have here the map, so people can find you here. Of course, this is going to be interactive. Maybe it's going to be a Google Maps. It depends on the programmer, on the developer. And also, we have here, we're trying to make this website also responsive. So we're trying to incorporate some ideas. The idea is this: people are usually going to use tablets or going to use phones, and most Americans tend to use tablets and phones from a recent study to navigate on the internet, so it's quite important to make this site tablet and smartphone friendly. So this is a button that helps you. If you click it, you're gonna go back to the top and then search more things on the menu. Also, you have here the same things, or the same menu is also down. So if people don't want to go up and scroll down and just go up and just are a little bit more lazy, they can click here, and it's far more easier for them to navigate. We've tried to create a beautiful website, that that people want to see. Also, this is the inner page, as you called it. So let's, for example, I've went on the disorders page and I've selected, just a second, I've selected insomnia. Okay, so and then I click, and this is what happens. The drop down menu closes and I'm on the anxiety page. We've chosen this picture. This format is quite interesting because it tends to focus on the main idea. So we found this great picture that says most of the things you worry about never happen. And that's quite true with anxiety. So this is the text about anxiety. This is we didn't want to create a long page, so we incorporated a scroll bar. So people are gonna scroll, and of course the text is gonna scroll accordingly. Also, you've asked for some graphics that attract the reader. We've created a small infographic for you. Of course, this is just an idea. We can change it if you want. This is the main issue, anxiety, and it will depend on the page you're on. So, for example, if you're on the ADHD page, we're gonna have an ADHD infographic and so on. So, as you can see, we've tried to incorporate this idea that the problems and people are gonna try and read it and gonna more or less gonna feel that this is true for them. So for you as a psychologist, I think it's quite this is quite easy to, it's really easy to understand. It's quite superficial, of course, because we can't incorporate all the information. Okay, this footer is the same one, nothing changes. We have social icons here, Twitter and Facebook, and also the copyrights. Okay, that's about it. We are waiting for your feedback. Thank you again for your patience. This has been great for us. It was a wonderful experience to create a web page for you. and we're looking forward to working with you and see and your feedback. Thank you again. This is Jacques from Transylvania. Have a great day.